Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I shared my interior work, what I did inside of the house, and now I am working outside. I have this little patio on the opposite side of the house which we were not gonna use. We have a gate over there which we removed. This house has like 2, 3, 4 gates all over the house. Because it's a farmhouse, so there were so many gates, so we removed some unnecessary gates all over and we closed this side. And this little patio I'm gonna take in, and I am going to build a closet for this room that is next to the bedroom, master bedroom. This has an exterior stucco all over and some cement design on the wall, so it was such a pain to take this thing off. And when I was trying to remove this ceiling thing, I was not able to break it in pieces, so this whole thing came out all in one piece, and it was very, very, very heavy. I can't even pull it down. I just chisel it down all the way. It was okay that I was able to remove it. In this house, I learned this: if we have to remove the stucco, we have to tuck the chisel or crowbar on the back and then push it outward, and that's how we can take it out. Or either we have to take the hammer and break every inch of the stucco, which is very time consuming and very hard. So this was the easiest trick for me. Removing this exterior design was so easy with this hammer drill. When I was trying to break it down, I was not able to use the hammer or a chisel. The same thing I did with this design, that I was putting the chisel on the back and it was coming off so quick. It was coming piece by piece. Because I'm going to take this area inside the house and convert this as a closet, so I don't need this window. I'm going to remove all this wall and install the new wall without the window. Then I learned this new thing, that these cage for the windows, they have this installed over here. We are not going to able to remove them from outside because the screws they use over here for these cages, they are one-way screws, so they does not come off. We have to cut them off. So either we have to cut the frame, metal frame out, or cut the wooden frame, the studs, so we can remove these windows. So what I did, I just cut the frame out because I'm going to replace all this frame anyways. After installing this wall and the side wall, I moved to the other side and start breaking that exterior stucco, so I can replace that wall too, because that has also a rod. This part was pretty big, but I and my husband, we were able to manage it, and this time I'm going to install 4x6 windows in it. Before, on this side, there was an extremely big window. It looks like it was a living room in the old time, and then they converted it into a room. So this was the old living room, and here I can show you better this corner. As you can see, there's a corner and there's a new wall, and I am gonna bring this part up forward. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.